Now let's start making the kitten paw. Let's first observe the overall design. The height of the little bear is about 5 centimeters. It takes about 2 hours for beginners to make it. Take out the needle felting starter kit. Package includes a printed instruction manual. Foam pad is a workbench. Please do not discard it. Open the material package. Keychain accessories. Felt sheet blanks. Cut-resistant finger cots. Wool of different colors. With 3 poking needles. Finger cots must be worn during production to prevent injury. Coat the felting needles with anti-rust oil. Please wipe with a tissue before use. Keep needle removal and insertion in the same direction. Otherwise, it is easy to break the needle. Take the felt sheets, layer them together, and bond them by stabbing repeatedly with a felting needle. The 2 felt sheets are now securely bonded and will serve as the base foundation. Take a small amount of wool, tease it apart, and needle felt it onto the base surface. Repeat the process on the sides. You can hold the base upright with your fingers while adding wool. Continue adding wool and felting until the entire base is evenly covered with a solid wool layer, completely concealing the foundation. At this stage, the surface may appear rough with visible needle marks. Take a small pinch of loose wool and gently needle felt it onto the surface to refine the texture for a smoother, denser finish. Meanwhile, constantly refer to the 1-to-1 reference diagram to adjust and perfect the overall shape. Now the base structure is complete. Now let's create the pink paw pads. Take a small amount of wool, tease it into fine strands, and needle felt the pink paw pads into shape. Work with small amounts of wool at a time, gradually adjusting the shape. Your adorable cat paw is now complete. Finally, attach the keychain to your wool creation and voile. It's ready to use!